Imagine two people.
Sam and Alex. Sam starts investing just $100 a month at age 15. Alex waits until he's established, starting that same $100 a month at age 35. By the time they both reach 65, Alex has a respectable $200,000. But Sam has over $800,000. That massive $600,000 difference didn't come from working harder. It came from starting earlier. That is the power of what Albert Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. This isn't just math. It's a financial superpower that only the young possess. Hey everyone! Today, we're breaking down exactly how you, as a teenager, can start building a massive financial future right now. We aren't talking about meme stocks, crypto scams, or getting rich quick. We're talking about building actual, generational wealth. First, let's look at the foundations. Why start now? Because your greatest asset isn't your money, it's your time. When you're 15, every dollar you invest has 50 years to grow. By the time you are Sanju, that same dollar has lost half its potential power. But there's a hurdle. You can't just open a standard brokerage account until you're 18. However, the financial system has a secret weapon for you: custodial accounts. These are known as UTMAs, or UGM. Once you turn 18 or 21, depending on your state, the account is legally yours. Right now, you have the longest hill possible. The longer the hill, the bigger that snowball grows. Now, where do you actually put your money? The stock market can seem like a casino, but for smart investors, it's an engine of growth. The smartest road is often the simplest. Index funds and specifically those tracking the S&P Go Heck. When you buy one share of an S&P 500 ETF, you aren't betting on one company. You're betting on the entire US economy. And here's the best part. Thanks to fractional shares, you don't need $3,000 to buy an expensive single share. Most modern apps let you start with just $5. But how do you find that money when you don't have a 9-to-5 job? It starts with a mindset shift called paying yourself first. When you get birthday money or profit from a side hustle, take 20% off the top immediately. Move it to your investment account. Beyond the stock market, the most important investment you can make under 18 is in yourself. Your human capital is your ability to earn. The road to wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And by starting at 15, you've already completed the first 5 miles. Don't wait until you're 30 to wish you had started at 15. Start today. Your future self will look back and thank you.